Hey, welcome to my practical Canva tutorials review. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful course that lets you master Canva from scratch and create stunning, professional-grade graphics for your business, even if you've never designed anything before. And here's the exciting part. You don't need any graphic design experience, no expensive freelancers, and no time-wasting trial and error. Just follow the step-by-step tutorials and start designing like a pro from day one. Make sure to stick around because I'll also break down all the upgrades OTOs, so you know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new here, welcome. I've spent the last 5 years mastering affiliate marketing, and I'm here to help you find the best strategies and tools to grow online. If that sounds good, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. And here's a special treat. I've put together some amazing bonuses that you'll get only through my link below. These are designed to help you maximize your results with practical Canva tutorials. So check the description before they're gone. So, what is Practical Canva Tutorials? Practical Canva Tutorials is a complete beginner to advanced design training series that helps you master Canva's tools, create branded content, and design stunning graphics fast. No prior skills needed. It's perfect for content creators, affiliate marketers, coaches, small business owners, or anyone tired of struggling with Canva or hiring expensive designers. This isn't a get-rich-quick type of product. It's a skill builder. But if you're serious about branding, content creation, and saving money on design, this is a total game changer. Standout features that caught my eye. Step-by-step video tutorials. Watch and follow at your own pace. Both beginner and advanced levels. Learn the basics or go pro. Audio versions. Learn while you walk, drive, or chill. Checklists and transcripts. Stay organized and reference key steps. Design principles and branding tips. Make your graphics pop and convert mass. Whether you're designing social posts, lead magnets, infographics, or presentations, this course gives you the skills to create visuals that actually work. How it works? Super simple. 1. Log into the members area. 2. Choose beginner or advanced module. 3. Watch the tutorials, follow along, and start designing instantly. It's self-paced, so you can go through it however and whenever you want. Upgrades, OTOs, what's available? Once you grab the main course, you'll see some valuable upgrade options. Here's what's available. Bundle upgrade. Get both beginner plus advanced tutorials at a discount. Inspirational graphics pack, personal use, 100s of done-for-you Canva designs. PLR license or Canva template license, sell designs or use them for clients. Monthly Canva template club, $1 trial gets you fresh templates every month. Recurring template vault access. Keep your content fresh and on brand. Pick the ones that match your workflow or skip the rest. What I love about practical Canva tutorials. Perfect for beginners, zero experience needed. Saves tons of time with plug-and-play templates and expert tips. Costs way less than hiring a designer or buying graphics online. You own your skills. No outsourcing, no waiting, just you in control. What could be better? If you're looking for ultra-advanced Adobe-style design tools, this isn't that. It's made for people who want fast, effective, professional results using Canva. Final verdict. Should you get it? If you're tired of design struggles, wasting money on freelancers, or just want to take full control of your content creation, then Practical Canva Tutorials is 100% worth it. Whether you're creating content for clients, affiliate promos, or your own brand, this will save you time, money, and help you stand out. Click the link below to grab it now while the dime sale is still active. And don't forget, my exclusive bonuses are waiting for you inside. Thanks for checking out my Practical Canva Tutorials review. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews and smart tools to grow your business. Go create something awesome. See you in the next video.